Hey guys, I have some really bad news for you today. I made a track in Florida Studio Mobile that you're going to want to listen to. Listen, like, share. Dude, if you want to learn how to produce instrumental music in your Florida Studio Mobile, comment below, I want the course. I'm going to release a course that you'll like. Without further ado, let's go to my phone screen to show you.
Get on the track. Get on the track.